Hi everyone, Tristan back with another video, and in this video it's probably going to be my first non-unboxing video in that I am not going to unbox what you see on screen. I'm just going to talk about it, and I'll tell you why I'm not going to unbox them. These are the Beats Pro, Beats by Dr. Dre from Apple, because Apple bought Beats. And the reason why I got these is because they recently went on sale at an authorized dealer for a really good price. And they're starting to go out of stock at certain authorized dealers as well. So I suspect that they're actually going to be going away. Let me talk about why. Apple has said that they want to be completely wireless, and all of their peripherals and headphones and everything are, they think the future is totally wireless. So these might be the very last, wireless Beats that you will ever see. Furthermore, Beats headphones in general might be going away totally. I just don't know what Apple plans to do with the brand. They have recently had some other Beats go on sale and things like that, and so it just kind of remains to be seen what happens with Beats. But in terms of wired headphones, these might be the last wired Beats that you'll ever see. But I also wanted to show you the packaging as well, because these are the latest version from Apple. After Apple purchased Beats, they did change the packaging a little bit. So I wanted to show you, the packaging and kind of see what it looks like. I think Beats are the best looking headphones ever. They just look so cool. Also, apparently, in terms of the sound, each generation of the Beats have improved the sound as well. They've become, from what I've heard, a lot less muddy, more resolving, but yet still with a bassy sound signature, but certainly more resolving and less muddy sounding. The original Beats Pro were quite muddy sounding and were almost unbearable to listen to from an audiophile perspective. But I have heard this version of the Beats before, and they actually sound really pretty good. So maybe at some point I will go ahead and open these, but I'm keeping them sealed for now, because if they ever go discontinued or whatever, who knows, maybe they'll be a collector's item when they're totally sealed and unopened. Anyway, that's the reason why I'm keeping them sealed. The other thing is I don't need to listen to these right now. I've got plenty of headphones to listen to, so it's not something where I really need to actually open them and listen to them at this point. But I would love to hear your comments on that. If you have any feelings on that, go ahead and leave them in the comments field. So the first thing that you'll notice is the seal on the top. This is like the hanger part where it can hang, on a shelf or something, on a hanger in a retail store. So genuine Beats, will have this oval here, and the cutout is very smooth. It's either laser or die cut or whatever. So that's the first thing to notice about, an official pair of Beats. Apple did change some of the wording on the packaging. It used to say designed by Ammunition and Monster. Now it doesn't say that anymore, because Apple owns Beats, so it just says Beats by Dr. Dre. And I'm sorry that I have some reflections here, with the plastic on. Some of that is inevitable. Here's what it says on the side panel, and you can go ahead and pause it, and if you want, you can go ahead and pause the video if you want to kind of read what it says. Here's the back panel. And the other side panel. And then we've got the bottom. The Beats Pro also currently only come in this black model as well. Apple doesn't have, a different model or anything like that. But again, if my suspicion is correct, this might be the very last wired Beats Pro that you'll ever see. And in fact, Beats as a brand may be going away totally. I just don't know. I mean, Apple may come out with their own headphones under the Apple brand name rather than the Beats brand name. I'm just not sure. That's just sort of my conjecture. I'm just not really sure. I mean, there's a lot of stuff that's up in the air and right now with regards to the Beats headphones, but I'm not sure if they are, a profitable thing for Apple. So Apple might actually be getting rid of Beats totally. So thanks for watching my non-unboxing video of the latest generation, as of this video, Beats Pro by Dr. Dre from Apple headphones. As always, for community and discussion, please see the comments field, and I will see you in my next video.